First thing you do when doing an oil change, always check the fluid level. Check the fluid level, and it's looking good. On these Wranglers, they have the filter hidden right underneath this cover. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen the filter on this 3.6 engine. So let me get the tools for that. Daniel is gonna use a tool to remove the filter. He's gonna loosen it up. That's how I loosen the oil cap. Once it's loose, you don't want to directly take it out. You want to leave it in the vehicle so you don't make a spill all over your engine. So the next step we're going to do is we're actually going to lift it to drain the vehicle. Okay, Daniel is going to go underneath the vehicle and he's going to show you where the drain plug is at. It's right underneath the vehicle. He's gonna start loosening the drain plug. As he loosens it, put the drain bucket right underneath. Make sure we don't spill anything. Leave the oil draining for a good 10-15 minutes. Once you start seeing it slow down, you can actually plug it back up. And you're just gonna tighten it. Give it a good snug. You don't have to tighten it too hard or else you'll get your drain plug stripped. And then we're just gonna clean it all up. Make sure no residue falls on the vehicle or on the ground. On this specific model, we gotta change out the gasket for the filter and change out the filter as well. That's gonna be the gasket, brand new gasket. Now we're just gonna snug up the filter and put back the cover. Once the cover is all done, now we can actually refill the engine. This specific model takes 6 quarts of 520. Okay, all done. We're gonna actually put the cap back and we're gonna run it and we're gonna check the fluid, see what it's like, the oil level. We're gonna run it for a couple minutes. And we're gonna kick it back off and then recheck the level, see where it's at. And the car is all set. Oil change is done.
I would like to thank Daniel and Kenny for showing us the demonstration on how to change your oil. If you have any other questions, please click on the link below.